another video. And today we are going to make slime. Yes, I'm sure it's only 2. It says on the box. Today I'm making clear slime, and then I'm gonna make this slime, which is really cool. Wait, give me a second. Can you hold this a little second? Guys, can you hold this for a second so I can do this? 1 sec. Oh, fudge. Okay, and then I'm just gonna mix. And if you guys,
how long do you have to mix it for?
I don't know. And it says we have to mix for a long time until it's very good and nice and stuff. And if you want me to do, I'll show you. I'll record the entire thing next video on that one, like that one right here. That one right here. And I'm about to dig it with my hands. Oh,
No, don't do it.
why? You're supposed to. That's my brother's. He's making clear slime, but doesn't look like clear slime. And
it says add 3 tablespoons of Elmer's magical. Yeah, I told you.
No,
I
look.
told you.
Look at this. Look really closely.
Look
Add
at
2.
this. Look. It says add 3 tablespoons of Elmer's magical liquid solution into the container and mix well. Then add remaining 2% tablespoon magical liquid and mix until the mixture gets harder and slime begins to form. Take the slime out and knead it with both of your hands.
I'm just gonna see you guys in the next video.
I'm just gonna pour a
Peace.
little bit in there.